In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add holographic objects in Davinci Resolve. Though I'd say more, we're going to make objects holographic. So here I've got the Shazam logo that I've just dropped in here. These are all just plain pictures, not videos. And so you've got your picture here. Make sure you've clicked on it and make sure you are on the Edit tab. Now, if this bar on the side doesn't pop up, all you can do is click on Inspector and that should make it pop up. Okay, so now we're gonna go down till we see composite and we're gonna change the composite mode to, I think it was color dodged, yes. And then we wanna lower the opacity. Now you don't necessarily have to use color dodge. I just think it works better for this image. So now we're gonna jump over to the Fusion tab and we're gonna go to Effects. And then we're going to go Tools and search for Glow. And here we go, Soft Glow. We just want to drag and drop that in. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. What I want to do here is drop the gain. And then I'm going to increase the glow size. Again, this is all to taste. And if you want to, you can adjust the threshold as well. Not really necessary in this case. Okay, now we're going to jump over to the color section. And again, this part not really necessary, just a little bit of color correction for me. Okay, we're going to jump back over to the edit section. And I want to lower my opacity a little bit. I think it's just a bit overkill. And there we go. I think that is a pretty good looking hologram. As I mentioned earlier, this is all to taste, so you don't have to use color dodge. You can use normal color or you can just use the normal option. It is all up to you. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.